In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can place an order on Amazon with minimal personal information. Although Amazon requires you to have an account to complete a purchase, there are still ways to minimize the data you provide while enjoying the convenience of shopping online. Let's start with the most straightforward option. You can simply create a new Amazon account and then proceed with placing your order. This is the standard method and what most people use. It allows you to track your orders easily and take advantage of any available benefits that come with having an account, like personalized recommendations or access to faster delivery options. Setting up an account on Amazon is pretty straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. Now, if you're looking to avoid creating an account altogether, there's another possibility. Consider asking a friend or a family member who already has an Amazon account to place an order on your behalf. With this method, you'll need to provide them with the item that you want to purchase along with the shipping details. This way, they can make the purchase for you while you can settle the payment between yourselves. It's a convenient way to bypass the need for your own account, especially if you sometimes shop online. For those who still want to register but aim to reduce their personal footprint, you can create an account using minimal sign-in information. While Amazon requires some basic details to set up an account, you can choose not to save your payment or shipping information for future use. After completing the purchase, remember to remove any saved details from your account settings. This method ensures that Amazon holds as little of your personal information as possible while still allowing you to make purchases. Another alternative, if you're concerned about storing your personal card details on Amazon, is using gift cards or prepaid payment methods. These can be a secure way to manage your online shopping because they allow you to set a spending limit and reduce the risk associated with sharing your credit card information. Remember though, even when using gift cards or prepaid cards, signing into an account remains a requirement. In conclusion, while Amazon does necessitate having an account for purchasing, there are various methods available to limit the personal information you share. Whether it's relying on a friend to help out, creating a new account with limited information, or using prepaid payment options, each of these methods offers a way to tailor your online shopping experience to your privacy preferences while still enjoying the range of products and services Amazon provides. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for you. Stay safe and happy shopping.